All right, mate, we'll use your oldest article and we will open it as we've done before. And there's the story. Now we will click once up here in the www bit. We'll copy that and we'll go to a place called the Sharing Debugger. See that developers.facebook.com/tools/debug/sharing. This configures your post for Facebook. Now you'll see I've done that. You put it in there, you run the debugger. It'll normally show around here, this has never been done before, so click here to do it. And this here is now the result that we've got, which means we can go to, I've already done it there, had to test it. We paste it in like so. I personally then delete it. You can type another comment if necessary, and then we post and Facebook presents it. Now, of course, since I've already done it, I'll simply delete that post and all over. Cheers, mate.